Discover CDS Mentor, a cutting-edge digital work instruction platform. CDS Mentor is an out-of-the-box, intuitive, and powerful solution for manufacturing companies to create and deliver digital work instructions and immersive digital training experiences. Our digital immersive learning platform utilizes images, videos, documents, and 3D models to deliver knowledge and expertise to your company's frontline workers. CDS Mentor is a cloud-based SaaS solution that goes beyond traditional work instructions to enable the transformation of existing CAD assets into immersive learning experiences. CDS Mentor helps manufacturing companies improve their training efficiency and is ideal across a range of processes which include safety, quality, service maintenance, operations, and training. Here are some of the key benefits your company will get by using CDS Mentor. Standardize work. Create ISO-compliant, step-by-step digital work instructions to document procedures for worker training across teams, shifts, and locations. Reduce training time. Onboard new workers with immersive digital learning that adapts to their style of learning. Upskill quickly with digital work instructions that reduce the errors associated with traditional training and instruction methods. Capture tribal knowledge. CDS Mentor makes it easy for subject matter experts to document their tribal knowledge and deliver it to frontline workers. Create attractive digital work instructions. With CDS Mentor, if you're not ready with 3D, you can still create digital instructions utilizing images, videos, and documents. Enhance 2D work instructions with image markup. With CDS Mentor, you can create and enhance your visual assets with image markups. Quickly and easily create immersive 3D learning content. CDS Mentor provides an easy way to capture best practices from experts to create immersive step-by-step 3D work instructions from your existing CAD data. By offering an intuitive, no-code interface, CDS Mentor enables content authors to quickly create rich, interactive 3D content that provides crucial information to frontline workers. Discover CDS Mentor, a cutting-edge digital work instruction platform.